Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I am going to share with you a very simple cauliflower saute. This dish will be prepared very quickly. And here we go, the ingredients that we will use in cooking. First we will cut the green onion. Always cut separately the white part and the green part. And I have 3 cloves of garlic. We just cut in tiny slices. Next we cut the cauliflower into florets. We cut into bite size. And I'm going to wash them and will be ready to be cooked. I am heating up the pan to the medium heat. I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter, or we can use olive oil or any vegetable oil. We are going to saute the garlic. And the white part of the green onion, we stir it. Now we add the cauliflower. Stir it. And we will add a little salt and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, or we can use light soy sauce. Now we just add water, about a half cup of water, and bring it into boiling. Now the water is boiling. We just turn the heat to medium and cover it. And let it cook about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open it. Turn the heat to the high. We let the liquid evaporate. So the liquid almost gone. We just add the green onion and mix it. And let it caramelize a little bit, even more flavorful. So looking good, right? And the cauliflower is ready. And this is the vegetable of the day. Well, all is done. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.